everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play I'm the Highway, one of my favorite songs by Audioslave. In this tutorial, you will learn the entire song and I will show you a few new strumming patterns. Having said that, let's have a look at the chords. For this song, you will need 6 chords and they're all very easy. They are F, C, G, A minor, D minor, and E7. Now let's start working on the intro. The intro is divided into 2 parts. This is the chord progression for the first part, and what you do is simply strum each chord once, like this: 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, and again, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4. One thing, if you're comfortable with finger style, try to play the chords like this: C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4. All I'm doing is picking one string after the other. You see? C, G, D minor, and A minor. This is a nice way to play chords when there is a slow or mellow part in a song. The second part of the intro uses only one chord, A minor, but to be precise, the chord is actually an A minor add 9. This one. The strumming pattern goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. You might have noticed that on the first downstroke, I don't play the full chord, but I aim to hit just the 4th and the 3rd string. Let me play it again: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. You repeat the A minor add 9 4 times. So this is what you get: 3, 4, first time, second time, third time, 4th time. Okay, let's see what happens in the verse. The strumming pattern goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Let me play it one more time: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. The chord progression for the verse has 2 parts. They are similar but not the same. In fact, in the second one you have some extra chords that I wrote in blue. So the first part goes like this: 3, 4, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor. And the second part is a bit different. You have F, then C, A minor, G, C, A minor. Basically, you have the C on beat 1 and A minor on beats 2, 3, and 4. Like this: 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I suggest you learn this variation, but if you find it too difficult, don't worry too much about it. Avoid the C and just play A minor. Now let me play the entire verse for you. 3, 4, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, A minor, G, G, C, A minor. And now let's work on the chorus. Here you could use the same strumming pattern of the verse, but as you probably know if you follow me, it's better to use different strumming patterns for different sections of a song. The strumming pattern that I suggest you use for the chorus is a pattern that works very well for rock songs, and it goes like this: 3, 4, down, 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 down. Let's play it one more time. 3, 4, down, 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 down. Okay, this is the chord progression for the first chorus, and by the way, for the last E7, you just strum it once. Now, let me play it for you. 3, 4, C, G, D minor, A minor, C, G, D minor, E7. By the way, you might have noticed that on beat 1 and 3, I'm aiming to hit just the 4th and the 1st string of the ukulele. Try to do it as it makes the pattern sound cooler. So after the first chorus, they go to the A minor add 9, same as you did in the intro. The song carries on and you have another verse and the second chorus, which is slightly different. This is the chord progression. It's basically, the same, but they repeat the first part of the chord progression 3 times, and then the E7 at the end lasts more. After that, they move to the bridge, or you can call it an instrumental interlude if you prefer. This is the chord progression for the bridge, which is exactly the same as the one from the verse. Here, you don't really need another strumming pattern. In fact, you can use the same one used in the chorus. However, if you want to challenge yourself, try to work out a different strumming pattern. I have a tutorial on how to do that, so if you want, check it out. Having said that, let me play the bridge for you. 3, 4, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor. And now you know how to play the entire song, and this is the structure. You don't have to play it all, especially the instrumental parts, which can be a bit boring if you're playing by yourself. And by the way, in the outro, just play A minor at 9, as you did for the intro. Now it's time for the play along. I'm gonna be playing the intro starting from the second part, the A minor at 9 beat, then the verse and the first chorus. The tempo will be 87 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of I Am the Highway by Audioslave so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page you can find the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. By the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!